Good morning. We are busy cutting up a jackfruit this morning. It's quite a procedure. So the guys have got their gloves on. We've got oil in place because this is a sticky business. And yes, if you need jackfruit trees, let us know. We've got quite a few jackfruit trees already ready.